Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can create graphic settings option for your game. In this case you can switch between SD, HD or full HD graphic quality for your game. If you try to click those buttons, I mean you cannot see the differences between this SD, HD and full HD on Unity Editor. You need to run it on your mobile device so you will see the difference between SD, HD and full HD. So it is not working on mobile on editor. What I'm going to show you is how to create that settings. I cannot completely show you how to make it from scratch, but I will show you what I did for this game. um, it is on main menu. Scene main menu. It is here, the settings. Let me show you the button settings. This button, if you click it, you will see this graphic queue object. It will open this panel, and if you click one of those buttons, SD, HD and full HD, it will trigger this script. I have this script. Button click set graphic. Here I'm going to hide it. Here the script is this button click script. Let me click edit and show you what will happen if you click one of those buttons, SD, HD and full HD. Set graphic. Yeah, to set the graphic quality you just need one line of code, which is this one. I'm sorry guys, not this one. Game manager.instance.set graphic. It is basically is calling a method inside this game manager script. So what will happen if you click those button, the graphic button it is calling this set graphic method inside this game manager script. So I'm going to open the game manager script that I had. This here, game manager, and it will call set graphics method, set graphic queue, graphic quality. It is here, set graphic queue. So forgive me guys, to set the graphic resolution of your game, you just need this one line of code. In this case, if I click SD button, standard quality, it will trigger this one, screen.set resolution 800 480. So what you need is only this one line of code. This one is for SD, this one is for HD 1280 by 720, and this one is 1920 by 1080 for full HD. That's all for the graphic quality setting. If you want to set the graphic quality to be full HD, you need to call this line, screen.set resolution, and this is the width of the resolution and the height of the screen resolution that you want to set, and the resolution is only working on mobile device, not on Unity Editor. Okay guys, I'm sorry I cannot show you more. I cannot make a full tutorial about it, but you just need to call this method if you want to set the graphic resolution. Just google it, and you will find so much tutorials about it. thank you. I make this video because some people keep asking me this uh, about this screen resolution tutorial, but I said okay, I will show you this one. Thank you guys, bye bye, see you next time.